we have Ravi Sharma, our lawyer in the court, and who was present with Mr. Mahesh Jethmalani, joining us now. Ravi, what do you think are the main words in this case that you think in this long-drawn battle were critical and made the day in the favor of Arnab and Republic? Yes, go ahead, Ravi.
FIR to begin with was perverse. And the court sought to, on the first day of hearing, start the argument. And Mr. Jethmalani pointed out that as soon as those cases also posted a condemnation of act of the participants. It was this. See, and the court saw through it. And one opportunity counter court gave a right decision and quashed the FIR. See what happens in the process, like you were asking Jethmalani this question, that don't you think state will learn a lesson? State will not. They will continue to register FIR because the process itself takes a toll on individuals. So any voice critical of a government, the state governments like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Rajasthan, which are all opposition governed states, they use this FIR, they use police to victimize anyone who is critical of their views. And with first given opportunity, an FIR will be registered. Like I said, it's not the first for the first time that an FIR was registered against Arnab. We've all seen what happened to Arnab in Maharashtra. There were FIR registered in Karnataka, which was worse. There's a FIR registered in Rajasthan, where the court has stayed any act, where the ingredients are not measured, when court has recorded in its order that what form. There's no allegation as to what words were used by Arnab Goswami or Republic anchor, despite that FIR has registered. So this is a series of harassment that Arnab and Republic have been subjected to over a period of time. You all know what's the reason behind these FIRs.
I think absolutely, Ravi, like you've said, we have to see what happened in the case, not only here, but also, like you said, in Karnataka, also what happened in Rajasthan. Ravi, the words here are so clear of this case, and I want to make this bigger, Ravi. It's not only about this case that we won in Calcutta, and I have to say, Ravi, it was your also gut instinct that you said that we need to fight this case right now that got us this victory at Team Republic. I also want to say the might of the Calcutta, the Mamata Banerjee government was appearing against us. The Advocate General was there and he was vehement. He even wanted to make a rejoinder, Ravi, at one point.
In a case like this, the fact that the state had employed or the Advocate General to argue a matter, generally these matters are argued by assistant public prosecutors. But the fact that the Honorable AG was summoned to argue this matter, it itself is suggested that this case was political. Generally, we all argue cases day in, day out. In a case of where quashing is sought, 153A is the offence alleged in the FIR. It's the APTs who argue the matter. And it's not for the first time. You remember there's another journalist of yours who was harassed in a similar manner, Republic Bangla. And there we find a writ petition directly and the High Court granted him bail. So this is this large that the state government, the reason behind the reason by which this FIR was registered only the intention to harass Republic and Arnab. If you remember during the proceedings, AG relied on the reply to 41 applications to substantiate the charge. How did of that?